Hello guys, this is part. Guys, this is part 1 of teen pregnancy. I originally got. Ow!
I mean, cat.
But.
Keep passing the mic.
What? Where?
Appreciate it.
Well. Alright.
Randy.
I think it. Yeah.
Randy,
Teen
you better not
pregnancy.
say it.
Oh
God, you better not say it.
Okay, so I got this idea from someone on YouTube, but I don't know what it look like. Teen. Excuse me. Pregnancy.
Randy, you can't say
Toka
nothing.
Boka, wait.
Randy, you can't say nothing.
Oh, Toka Blair then.
One time,
This is the one I
we
was
told
doing.
Randy
I'm
not
gonna
to
say
open up the
this.
chest, and this dumb nigga gonna open up the chest.
What is-
This dumb
what
idiot
is-
gonna open up the chest. After
What
he
is
said,
the
don't
deal
open
with
the
this?
chest.
What is
Don't
that?
be shit, they gonna know you right
Okay,
here.
you know what?
This idiot gonna turn
Alright,
to
anyway.
the chest and open it up and get killed. We told you that.
Alright. Why is it still rated? I hate it when it's rated. Like, I've made it where it's not rated anywhere. Still rated.
Yes.
Can I just say it one time? Alright. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna set this off. So I'm going to watch a little bit of that video. So sorry, y'all.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, jingle, jingling too. Come on, it's a lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Just see.
Priority.
Alright, let me kind of watch a few videos. Oh yeah, hello guys, welcome back. Guys, look like, please comment, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell because that will help you guys know when I'm gonna post. Or like, I don't really know.
Today's video is going to be called Teen Pregnancy. I won't be getting any farther into that. Watch to the end of the video so don't all wherever they are. I'm actually so tired. I'm going to go to bed early. Let me.
Okay, so that's how hers went. So I'm just going to like, oh no, just flipping card in and press out.
He just said shot a flip too.
Okay, no. Doesn't
You just said shot a flip
So
too. I thought it was shot a flip.
pregnancy? No one's really a teenager.
Cause you just said shot a flip.
I think no, so it can't be any of the men. So it can only be like these two, because those are the only girls that are like young in age, but I'm probably just gonna use her. And it'll go from there. I'm gonna look everybody up. Just going to like.
I'm cool with the landing spot.
No, I'm just gonna like keep that right there. I have my two bird. She wakes up.
Yeah.
What a long day. Wait a minute. I just woke up. What the heck? Where is everybody? Hold on. Okay, my sister's
He said
here.
he not saving you. He
What-
said
where
he's
is
going to let you die.
Oh, I was doing a little real quick. I'm gonna keep that there. Where's mom? Oh, dad and stuff. Oh my gosh. I'm just. Oh my gosh, my brother and stuff. Okay. Yeah, I am definitely calling them.
I knew you should have took that.
Wait a minute, where's your phone go? Where'd that phone go? Yo, I think it's at the school. I don't remember where I last had it. I might have to get my most recent video.
There's no way, David. You thought Devin was an enemy. Oh my God, bro. You gotta be doing it. Oh, I ain't saving you, nigga. Like you told us, I ain't saving you, nigga.
Alright,
Hey, you got hit with a motorcycle. Right? You got hit with
yo, I can't. I'm trying to find the wheelchair before I do anything else. Look at the wheelchair. Look at the wheelchair. I think I'm moving a little too fast, so I'll slow down. Got him. Okay, we're not gonna talk about who's up in the school and who's not. I was just kind of.
You're booming in my ear.
Where's the button phone?
Booming in my ear.
That's subliminal. This is weird, but why is there like, I don't know why you're got a beard for some reason. Why is she bald?
Oh no, don't start doing what random do. Oh no, Devin, you better not do it there.
Alright, y'all. Anyway. I am coming so late. So all their beds are gonna be messy, which shows that they have been gone. Like they literally left out the room. Okay.
I went back there with y'all.
So no one made it. So it might look like they probably had to rush get out of bed. Okay. Oh, Fair's back here. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely calling them. What are they? Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Like, yo.
Pick up.
Where is that nigga?
Where are y'all? Please, Mom, tell me where y'all are at. Y'all are scaring me, and I want to hear what this is. Where are y'all? Why haven't y'all told me where y'all are at? Tell me now. Oh no, we're downstairs. What? Do you mean I've been worrying for nothing? Why couldn't you ever pull me out? Why didn't you tell me? Oh, sorry, but we thought you were just gonna be sleeping. You wouldn't notice that we're going. Mom, what the? You know what? Okay. I'm done with this. I'm done. Gosh, why would she? Whatever. Just going to break. Sister. Wait, that's when we took everyone's blush off. Well, we can only take her blush off. We took her blush off. We took his blush off because, obviously, it turned white. So, just right now.
Well, I live random, but boy, I'm not finna die that day. That nigga told me I'm not. I don't care.
Okay, so
I ain't look at that nigga.
Bro, nigga.
I ain't look at that nigga.
Stupid.
I ain't look at that nigga. That nigga looked at you and killed you.
Okay,
Nah, I was turned around the other way. And that nigga
hold on, let me change real quick. Okay. Why are you not looking away? Go to my sister. I've seen everything. But that's so disgusting.
Hey,
transfer around. Gosh, you don't know anything about privacy or something?
Hey, that boy.
Just gonna wear this because it seems kind of comfortable.
Somebody.
Okay.
Hey, that boy
I'm gonna call Mom to go into the room. Get downstairs. Oh. Hey, Mom.
Hey,
yeah?
Wait.
You mad at me for not telling you that we were downstairs? Oh, no, sister just told me. I probably wouldn't hear it. Because I have her.
I said.
Anyway, can I go out with my boyfriend?
You're not gonna help him because you don't want to
die. Sure. But promise to keep your location on. Promise, Mom. No, I always do. Alright, have fun. Love you too. Wait, can I go with my boyfriend too? Oh, since I can't go with her boyfriend. Alright, yeah. As long as you keep your location on. Bye, love you. Love you too.
And you just, I'm not gonna help because I don't want to die.
She's like,
you suck his nigga out of everybody in this group.
Yes. I'm so happy to go.
Yeah, when the Brandon get killed, I'm not gonna help him out.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Knock.
Alright, so I'm going with my boyfriend. Okay. I'm gonna drive. Well, I'm gonna call a taxi to drive us. Okay. Wait, why don't you go down to the first floor?
That's bring me up.
Chula, who girl? I like their sitting down right there at that couch and stuff. Okay, bye. I already called the taxi. They should be coming. Okay, come on. See them. Oh, that's a...
Bro, what the...
Ring, ding, ding-a-ling, do.
Why?
What type of song you singing? I said a ring, ding, ding. Doorbell? You saying ring, ding.
Hey, watch out. Get up.
Wow, you can really... Dang.
Uh-huh.
Sis, guys, if you don't get up in here,
I want some.
oh, what's the code? 3492. Correct. Alright, come in. I'm on again. Put my seat. I want to sit right here. Put my seatbelt on. Damn.
Oh, man.
What? Okay, you're not here. Weird. If y'all hear background noise, that's my brothers. My brothers or sisters. I don't know. Oh, also, part of my tutorial I did not mention, but watch your video. Like once you're done recording, watch your video. Go to that go once it says it's in your thing or whatever, it's in your photos or something. Watch that video to make sure you could have some warnings if you need any. And yeah. All right, y'all, back to the video. I kind of like this music. Hey, can I go back there? Yeah. Go down. Okay. Phew. She's nice. Yeah. Well, I'm just going to set my bush and come over. Can you tell me my location? Oh, we'll wash her first. Yeah. Hey, babe, I'm going over there, okay? Because we're going to your house. Is that okay with you? Yeah, I don't care. Just remember, the key is under the mat. That's like the most obvious spot. Why'd you do that?
Oh, so look. This is my teacher's. This is my open doors teacher's TikTok.
What it is?
Yes.
Can I look at it?
Yes.
All right, y'all. So I'm going. So this is okay. Do not mind who I'm looking up. Well, I'm pretty sure I already heard. Oh no! Where's my TikTok? What is it? Okay, you know what? Okay, spell it.
T-R-A.
Hold on. T-R-A.
C-E-Y.
C-E-Y.
Doll.
D-L-L-F.
3.
Buddy, I got it.
You ready for that? That's her.
This is her?
Yes.
Oh my God! Oh, that's so cute. She's a dog.
I went to Michael's to catch that 80% off sale. Good deal. This was like $89 and I got it for
TikTok. Here it is. Look. Let me see how many. Okay, she is.
Dang, she
Hold on, she'll eat this thing.
Hey, E. Look, Dathan.
No.
Look, this is Kennedy's open doors teacher. Open doors teacher. That's a TikTok. Oh, yeah. This is Kennedy's open doors teacher. That's a TikTok.
Why did she do this?
Alright, y'all. Don't mind what I was doing. That's a deal.
That is honestly so funny.
Alright. She drives to her bush. Okay, sure to get shot off, whatever. doing. Hurry up. Alright, so this might be a little inappropriate, but I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm just, hey babe, I'm home. I don't know why I would do teen pregnancy. Out of all the role plays I could have done, that's what teen pregnancy. So he's gonna be her boyfriend. Don't ask why. I'm just using random people I think will look good to let her. He opens the door for her. She comes back in. So, what are you doing right now? Oh no, I'm just watching a video. Why? Oh no, I was just like,
It was the fact that she gave it up to this one.
What SMG shall you use?
That was crazy. I could never imagine any of my teachers. You don't have a chick, man.
So, why like your living room? You're like always in your room. When my parents are out, they like
Cold, bro.
to go to the store. So.
Dr. Brown at 18.
Well, actually, I don't even. My dad and my mom are at a business trip, but I don't really care. Oh. Yeah, cool. I got shower. I hate this. Oh. Why are you changing your phone when I change mine? I don't know. We should just watch a movie, like, yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah, that's the perfect idea. Just put our phones down. I'm just gonna put mine. So mine's on this top seat, and
Hey, this is Dick's birthday.
we're not gonna
Let's put up a Batman. Divine light.
I don't know if that's right either. I would draw some swirly ones.
Oh, the one that go press your head.
I like the one that's like a little too on the left.
Like here, I already wrote my name. But I wrote this.
Divine light.
Can't really tell you how I know. Can you go? You left Penguini.
Hey, I'm about to start shooting.
Oh wait, no, that was me that left Penguini.
Yeah. I'm about to be shooting MLB. What? Shooting the game.
Wait, hold on. Check it out. It's next to it.
It doesn't say.
What would you shoot?
I don't want to go. I'm not going to. I don't want to go to that.
I'm not at all.
Turn Ethan in for the spelling bee. He would love to spell.
Alright, nigga. Yo.
Sorry, yo. Anyway,
Who making all the noise in their mic?
okay. The movie ends. That was a good movie.
Turn your mic off.
Yeah.
I know it was.
People thought just flirting with him for a few times because, like, yeah. But not as good as he looked though. I'm sorry, I'm trying to do that. He chuckles. I'm just going to get something to eat real quick. So, Yeah, hold
The
on.
most dookiest nigga on the team.
Oh my gosh. That was so embarrassing. Should I go back? I don't know if I should go back. Probably not. I don't know. I'm just gonna give me something to drink. Just don't even think about it. I think there's not tomato fish that's like drunk. That's like or something. It's just like something to drink. Yeah, you want something to drink? Yeah.
Hey, somebody get hit with this. Oh God, somebody can get hit with this. It didn't work. It didn't work.
This is so embarrassing and awkward. No, we mostly have ideas for things to do. We should probably just. Ooh, I know. We should go to our movie theater. Yeah, it's so good. Wait, it is. I really want to go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Sorry. Come on. First up, I'm gonna grab my phone because I'm almost to track my location. Oh, let's check my location on it.
Move it.
No, I'm not saying that, but like that's.
Hey, Blackies, move up.
There you go. I forgot what it went like.
Yeah.
It went like something. Shut the. There you go. Goodbye.
What are you saying, Bob?
Yeah. Wait, you did? Ripped what? You ripped your drawing that you made?
Oh my god. Red Kyler, you hang on by the middle one. Look, Kyler.
Alright, throw it.
I can't, it's broken. Kyler, it's broken. Oh my god.
Yeah, I don't know about that. Like, Texas. He also has some noodles in the mail. He's gonna get that though. That paper with some bills though. Please take the taxi.
What's your dog name?
Let's go.
Oh, wait.
Two, we want to.
Well, he ran off. I killed him. We got no hits. Shut up.
Yo, bro. Don't mind. I already told y'all this, but don't mind the background noise. That's my siblings. Yeah. Thank you. You want to use crystal? No, thanks. Put that back. You don't know whose phone that is. Okay. Gosh. Just take things out. All you do is take things without asking. Okay, let's go. Hello. Give me a Coke. Give me some apple juice.
Come help me.
Alright. This is forward.
Come help me.
thinking? What? I really want to like
Down.
do something bad.
Right down the outside, what are y'all doing?
Huh? No, that's bad. No, that's gonna be bad. I know, right? I just told you that. Should we do it? I don't know. I'm just like all over the place. I'm just kind of bored. Yeah, we can do it then. Okay. Let me stay overnight in this place. Wait, no. Just stay in my house. Fine. Okay.
All y'all niggas was in the same building of the same spot. And the nigga walked out. Run to the side and trap me. And y'all niggas
Oh my god, someone was here. I thought someone would be up in here. Doesn't matter. We do our own thing. Yeah. Gosh, let's go. Hey, why are you kids up in here? You're not supposed to be up in here. Get out now. Ooh, this air tastes so good. I mean, it's so good. What? Did someone send something? No, whatever. Y'all, do y'all think question of the day what for? So the question of the day will be: does different water taste different? And also, do you like water? Okay, here's my answer. Different waters do taste different. Okay, trust me, they do, bro. They do. I'm telling you, they do. Okay, and I don't really like what. It's not that I don't like. It's just that. No, it's just that I mostly drink things with flavor, not just like Cokes. Not Cokes or something like apple juice.
You don't drink Cokes.
I said not just Coke. Like there's other things that also have flavor that are not Cokes. So
Going back to
go back to your water. Okay, let's go. Now let's just go. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Yeah. That's the only floor we can really go to if we are exploring all the place. Oh, he's so cute. He is. What if feed him? Yeah, let's both feed him. We're just gonna get him some water. Get up, little. Get up. I know it does.
Oh, I turned out she saw some
Oh, these are good for dogs. And why don't you give them to me? I think coffee tastes bad. Pineapple. What about it? That's an apple. Oh, finally this thing works. Last time I tried to get it to work, it wouldn't. Bro, you should not let things rage bait you, bro. You shouldn't let things rage bait you, but alright.
I cannot hear you. They talking too much.
You shouldn't let people rage bait you, but alright.
You said what?
You shouldn't let things rage bait you, but okay.
How is that rage, baby?
I mean, am I wrong?
You just say watch out.
Let me just turn off my lights. I did the most stupidest
Hey, watch
thing.
it. Hold on. Behind her.
Oh, she bald.
Oh, no. Out of all my characters, her. Now she looks like a little boo-boo.
Oh, now she's not bald. Don't worry.
Shh. What about my other characters?
No, they're not bald.
I mean, it's one of them not. Y'all can push up there. They're raising. It's 2 more. It's 3 more.
Okay, let's go to bed.
Oh no, they right there. They raising.
So bored.
One of them watching at the end of the storm. Right there. No.
What can we do?
We're gonna do a Clay Ranking video.
I was asking you.
Yeah, it's 2 more. Then one more.
We can do it after this one. It's just teen pregnancy.
Huh?
It's teen pregnancy.
I mean,
Who's the pregnant one?
She's gonna be pregnant.
yeah. Oh
my gosh. He got her pregnant?
19, 20, 19.
I don't know. I don't know how pregnancy works.
Yes, indeed. You did help, buddy.
Huh?
I am evil.
What?
Who got her pregnant? Who's the baby daddy?
No, this is the daddy. The biological daddy, not baby daddy.
Bro,
Why did
The
you
dad,
put
the
so
baby
broke?
daddy.
So baby daddy isn't just the dad?
No,
Him.
the baby daddy is the one who's the baby's dad.
No way. I don't know how I even survived.
Oh, I thought you were talking about like the other baby daddy, like. Oh, I get what you mean. Who's the baby's dad? Who's the baby's dad? Oh.
15.
Oh my gosh. Hey babe, can you just go get me some like water? Can you just give me a lot of food? I'm really hungry. Okay. Maybe. I don't care. What? Clothes and shoes. Lip gloss, money, phone. Those PJs, purse, jacket. What do you think she added to my playlist? I mean, like the bunny.
No.
Playlist.
My birthday list on it.
bunch of cakes.
Money? No, phone. No.
Yes, and one more thing. PJs?
Yeah.
I need a new purse because my purse is rusting.
That's not nice. No, give me all of that. Cause everything's back to back. Babe, let's do this normal. I don't care. Give me some more food. Feed me, you dumb idiot.
Dang, she can see me down.
I should better eat that.
Bro, I tell you, I flipped my controls.
She's at his house? How old is she?
What no type of boyfriend?
How old is she?
What's a teenager?
Teenager's like 13 through to 17.
He's 15.
Do you not know how old her siblings are?
No, I'm making these like older. They're older.
How old are they?
So they were 14. How do I do math again?
What are you talking about?
No, how do I do the math like for the age?
She was 10, 14. You said she's 14 now? Or
15.
So
Hold on. 15,
19.
16, 17, 18, 19. Yeah, 19. They're 19.
You need to. You need to add.
Gotta play with the shitty team and gotta. The shitty niggas gotta play with the good players to get better.
No, cause I'm
I'm
gonna get
going
it.
to control.
Oh, the game started? I didn't even know that.
No, Hannah.
Where is
I know we gotta get control. This one goes.
Big bag, so
Oh my god. I got put in a sandwich, bro. Someone shot me in my back.
Alright, anyway.
one nigga shot him in the front, he got hit from the front and the back.
Yeah, that's not normal. They take a pregnancy test.
But got bodied from the front and the back, boy.
Oh my gosh, babe, I'm pregnant. Oh, it hurts. Oh, she tells her mom, Mom, I'm pregnant. What? No, this can't be. I'm gonna be a father too soon. I'm only 15. Don't worry. You fish me out. Okay, gonna pick the baby up. I want to be a father. I want to be a father. No, I won't. I'm just gonna.
Speed, I need.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't
My
know.
mom's kinda home.
I don't know. The next time she goes to school, everyone finds out that she's pregnant. But everyone's cool with it.
Hey, yo, buddy. Hey, yo.
Because she finds out that some of them are pregnant too. And that it didn't matter which way your body was.
Came inside of it.
Alright, well, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a blessed day.
Hey, don't ask what I
You know, I always got to turn the microphone off. Think it's gonna do something.